Hello and welcome back to Grandpa's channel. I'm hoping you guys are having a great day. I have been having a good day today. It's beautiful today in sunny Florida. So let's get into today's shows. Today we're going to be, this is part 3 of the Acer Nitro 5 upgrading and disassembly series. As I told you, what we were going to be doing is the Acer Nitro 5 has the ability to have 3 drives in it, two M2s and a SSD drive. We're going to be adding an SSD drive to this Nitro 5. We're going to go through it step by step. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm find us, and it helps Grandpa. And don't forget you can hit the thank you button or buy us a cup of coffee. I'll be back with this in just a second. So essentially, you're going to have to remove all the screws around the back of the cover. It's very easy, and if you'll notice, there's 2 triangles on there, and that's where you're going to use your pry tool. Let me open this right now. So after like I said, once you have removed all the screws, right where these 2 triangles on, there's a small space in here where you can just pry the cover right off. And I have 1 screw that's stuck. So as you can see here, I've opened it up. Always remove the battery before you start any work attaching cables. You know, you can always get a spike and you can cause all kinds of issues. And then since this particular model did not come with the ribbon cable, I ordered the ribbon cable. It was about $10. And you need to push this, and if you can see the line here on I'm hoping you can see this line. The line has to match up, indicating it's all the way in, and close the door. And then we're simply going to take our hard drive, which I've already formatted and actually loaded with all the stuff that the customer wanted on there. Okay. And then we simply need to connect this cable to here. And then drop it in place. Now, just keep an eye over here that if your ribbon cable may have slipped in here. You see that, how it's no longer straight? You may want to go in there, release it, and just make sure the line is straight. The line should be straight across, indicating it's covered underneath all the pins. Otherwise, you're not going to get good contact, which means you'll find that the hard drive is not working. And then all I need to do is put the screws in here, put back my battery. Now, I put the hard drive in, but just to go over, I'm going to go over the components that you have here. You got your fans, right? You've got 2 RAM chips. You've got 2 M2 chips. You've got your Wi-Fi chip. I just added this hard drive. Okay, underneath here is where you have your touchpad, which if you look at my video, you'll see how I replaced this one, how it failed. And now I'm just going to put back the battery, which is basically very simple. Okay, the same thing, it's 2 screws, and you drop it in place and then plug it in. Remember that whenever doing any repair work on your computer, always, always, always disconnect the battery before you begin. If something, you drop a metal screw onto the circuit board or something like that, and power is live, you could do a lot of damage. This way, everything is dead from that point of view. You can see how the battery slips in. If you don't have it in right, don't push. It will, when it's clear and it's moving in there. Now I just drop it in place, put my batteries back, put my cover back on, and we're all good to go. Well, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please do. Hitting that like button helps get this video out, helps old grandpa get more views, and that's most important because more views allows more people to see this and be shared. I hope you have a wonderful week. God bless you. Check out my other videos, my other how-to videos, my product reviews, and we'll be back with more good content in just a click of your mouse button. Have a marvelous day. Take care now.